Hello everyone. Our lesson today is solving two equations of first degree in two variables graphically and algebraically. It's lesson 1 in unit 1. Okay, first we want to remember how to solve this equation 2x plus 1 equals 5. We have here an equation of one variable, of one unknown, which is x. So to solve this equation, we must get x, the value of x. Okay, first move 1 in the other side by opposite sign, which is -1. So here we have 2x equals 5 minus 1. Okay, so 2x equals 4. To get the value of x, move 2 in the other side by divided. So here we have x equals 4 divided 2, which is 2. So the value of x here equals 2. And the solution set equals the set of 2. Okay, our lesson today is how to solve two equations in two variables. We have two variables, two unknown. First, algebraically. First, omitting in algebraically, we have two methods, omitting method and substituting method. First, omitting method. If we looked at the two equations, x plus y equals 5 and x minus y equals 1, okay? How to solve the first equation? It's two variables, two unknown. Maybe x equals 3, 3 plus 2 equals 5. Maybe x equals 2, y ب3 يبقى 2 plus 3 equals 5, or 1 plus 4 5, 0 plus 5 5, and so on. So here we have infinite number of solutions. And similar in the second equation, here we have 3 minus 2 1, 4 minus 3 1, and so on. Also here we have infinite number of solution. Okay, so we want to solve the two equations together in the same time. First, as we said, omitting method. To solve by omitting method, write the two equations under each other. But take care. You must order the equations. How? X first, positive or negative y equals the whole number. يبقى first, check the two equations. We make order the two equations, okay? X, y equals the number. Second, write the two equations under each other. يبقى here we have x plus y equals 5. The first equation. The second equation, x under x, y under y equals under equals, number equal under the number. يبقى here we have x minus y equals 1. Okay. Here we want to solve the two equations together as we said. Type to solve the equation together, you must remove x or y. Why? To solve the equation in one variable. How? First, make the coefficient of x or the coefficient of y is the same. يبقى here we have the coefficient here 1 and 1. Okay. Here we have 1 and -1. طيب, if we make if we make add, we have here positive 1y negative 1y, it will be cancelled, will be 0. So make the addition in the two equation. We get add plus, يبقى 1x plus 1x equals 2x. Okay, positive y negative y cancel together, it will be 0, equals 5 plus 1 equals 6. It's an equation of first degree of one variable, as we said. Move 2 in the other side by divided. So here we have x equals 6 divided 2, which is x equals 3. So the value of x equals 3. Which x? X in the first equation and x in the second equation. Okay, we want to get the value of the unknown y. Substitution in any equation, 1 or 2. Okay. يبقى by substitution in equation 1, which is here we have x plus y equals 5. يبقى x plus y equals 5. X here we get the value of x which is 3. يبقى 3 plus y equals 5. Move 3 in the other side by negative. So here we have y equals 5 minus 3. يبقى y equals 2. يبقى here we get the value of x and the value of y. طيب we want to get the solution set. The solution set must be in r times r or r squared. Okay, يبقى solution set is a set of ordered pair 3 and 2. As we said, the ordered pair consists of the first projection is x, the second projection is y. Okay, يبقى again, first to solve the two equations algebraically, first we have omitting method. Write the two equations under each other. Make the coefficient of x or the coefficient of y, make it the same or by different sign. Make add, get the value of x, substitution in one of them to get the value of y. Okay, and finally check the two equations. Here we have the value of x 3 and the value of y 2. Type here by substitution 3 plus 2 5. Okay, here 3 minus 2 1. Okay. Let's take another example. Here we have the first equation 2x plus 3y equals 17. And the second equation y equals 7 minus x. As we said, order the equation here. Order the equation. The second equation, move x in the other side. يبقى here we have x plus y equals 7. Okay. Write the two equations under each other. So 2x plus 3y equals 17. X under x يبقى x plus y equals 7. Okay. Here we have the coefficient of x 2 and 1, 3 and 1. Okay. How to get the coefficient is the same. By make multiplication in the other side by negative 3. يبقى here multiply by negative 3. Why? To cancel y together. يبقى here we have positive 3 and negative 3. It will be cancelled. Okay? يبقى first we want to get the coefficients like each other, or make that the second equation by negative 2 to cancel x. It's up to you. Cancel x or to cancel y. Okay? يبقى write the first equation as it is, which is 2x plus 3y equals 17. The second equation multiplied it by negative 3. يبقى multiply x by negative 3, y by negative 3, 7 by negative 3. Okay? يبقى here we have negative 3x minus 3y equals negative 21. Here we have 3y, negative 3y, يبقى add. Okay, by adding 2, negative 3, negative 1x. 3y, negative 3y cancel together. 17 minus 21, it will be negative 4. Okay, cancel negative 1 with negative 1 or move negative 1 in the other side by divided. يبقى negative 4 divided negative 1. يبقى here we have the value of x which is 4. As we said, we get the value of x substitution in any equation. Here we have equation 1 and 2. يبقى substitution in the easiest equation which is equation 2. يبقى substitution into which is x plus y equals 7. The value of x equals 4. يبقى 4 plus y equals 7. Move 4 in the other side by negative. يبقى y equals 7 minus 4. So we have the value of y which is 3. يبقى here we get the value of x and the value of y. So the solution set is the set of ordered pair. Write x first, 4 and 3. Okay? Finally, check x4 and y3. Okay, here we have 4 plus 3 equals 7. Here we have 4 times 2, 8, plus 9 equals 17. Let's take another example. Here we have two equations. 2x plus 3y equals 5. 3x plus 2y equals 5. Order? Yes. So write it under each other. يبقى 2x plus 3y equals 5. And 3x plus 2y equals 5. Okay. How to solve the two equations? Here we have the coefficient of y 3 and coefficient of y here 2. Okay. So multiplied here by 2 and multiplied here by 3. Why? Let's take together. 2 times 2 equals 4. X. 3 times 2 equals 6y. 5 times 2 equals 10. Don't forget to make the whole equation times 2. Okay, the second equation, 3 times 3 equals 9x. Plus 2 times 3 equals 6y. Equals 5 times 3 equals 15. Okay. يبقى here we make it the same coefficient. يبقى if we find the coefficient of 3, the coefficient of y is 3 and the coefficient of y is 2, multiply the first by 2 and multiply the second by 3. It's opposite to each other. Okay. Type how to remove y by subtract. يبقى here we make subtract. If we make subtract, change the sign of the second equation. يبقى here we have -9, -6, -15. And subtract. 4 minus 9 equals -5. X. 6y و -6y cancelled together. Equals 10 minus 15 equals -5. Okay. يبقى move -5 in the other by divided. يبقى -5 divided 5 which is 1. So the value of x equals 1. As we said, substitution in any equation 1 or 2. So we substitution in 1. يبقى by substitution in equation 1 which is 2x plus 3y equals 5. Move x and put 1. يبقى 2 times 1 plus 3y equals 5. So we have 2 plus 3y equals 5. Move 2 in the other side by negative. So we have 3y equals 5 minus 2 which is 3. 3y equals 3. So we have y equals 3 divided 3 which is 1. So the value of x and the value of y equals 1. So we get the solution set is the set of ordered pair 1 and 1. Okay. The second substituting method. To solve the equation algebraically, we have two methods as we said, omitting method and substituting method. Okay, how to solve these two equations by substituting method? First, get y or x inside alone in any two equations. Let's take the easiest one here. To get y inside alone, يبقى move y in the other side. So here we have y equals, and get 5 in the other side. يبقى here we have 2x minus 5. Write it again. Here we have y equals 2x minus 5. And let it equation number 1. Okay. Substitution in the second equation. Move y and put the new value of y which is 2x minus 5. يبقى again by substituting method, first we get x or y inside alone. يبقى here we have y inside alone in any one of two equations. Okay, here we have y equals 2x minus 5. Substitution by in equation 1. Okay, equation 1, which is here we have x plus 3y plus 1 equals 0. As we said, move y and right to x minus 5. Here we get x plus 3 and open bracket y, because the value of y, which is 2 terms. Here we have 2x minus 5 plus 1 equals 0. Okay, okay. 3 times 2x, 3 times negative 5. Here we have x plus 3 times 2x, which is 6x. 3 times negative 5, which is negative 15, plus 1 equals 0. Collect x together. X plus 6 equals 7x. Minus 15 plus 1 equals negative 14 equals 0. Move negative 14 in the other side, so 7x equals negative 0 plus 14 equals 14. So x here equals 14 divided 7, which is 2. So the value of x here equals 2. Okay. Substitution in equation 1 to get the value of y. As we said here, y equals 2x minus 5. يبقى y equals 2x. يبقى 2 times 2 minus 5. 4 minus 5 equals negative 1. يبقى value of x 2 and the value of y negative 1. So the solution set is negative 1. The set of ordered pair negative 1 and 2. Okay, thank you.